Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Indo-Kabayan Lifestyle. Today, I am going to show you how to prepare crispy, tender chicken popcorn and also how to prepare its sauce. Friends, these are our ingredients for our special and tasty chicken popcorn. I already sliced into cubes our chicken. Be sure that sizes are same. We have crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We need oil in the marination so that it will not be hard our chicken popcorn. This is the main secret of a soft and moist chicken popcorn. If you are running out of time, let's say you have only 1 hour to cook, we can marinate also our chicken inside this reusable plastic bag. It's very easy and put inside the chicken all the ingredients. This garlic is dynamic and one of the secrets of aromatic and tasty chicken popcorn. We will put all the ingredients inside. Just do like this. And even in 20 minutes, marination is ready. You just keep it this one in the fridge for 20 minutes. We squeeze it, remove the air, and we twist it like this. So all the chicken slices are soaked in the marinade. I will use rubber band, tight it like that. And then we will set aside our chicken in the fridge for 20 minutes. So our chicken is fully marinated. We are going now to coat our chicken with our breading. Before doing it, we will mix our beaten egg. As simple as this, set aside. Now we are going to make our breading in order for our chicken to be coated. So I put half cup of all-purpose flour together with chicken breading. We will mix it properly. Why I put half cup of all-purpose flour? So that our breading mix will not be very salty. And then my technique is that some part of our breading will be put to our marinated chicken and mix properly so that the taste of our chicken breading will be coated on the chicken. My own style is that I will use my hand and I will put in our flour mixture. Just do it like that. Be sure that our vegetable oil is preheated on medium fire. We are going to fry now our chicken popcorn. Let's do it like this so that it will be coated properly. Let's put on a plate. Now we are going to fry our chicken. So if the color is golden brown, we can remove from the oil. And now our chicken popcorns are ready. Here is our crispy but tender chicken popcorn. Now I am going to show you how to make sweet and chili garlic sauce. Put water for our sauce. This is apple cider vinegar. We have salt and black pepper, brown sugar, and tomato sauce to make it little bit of sour taste. We will make it boil. We have also here crushed garlic, grated ginger, and minced chilies. If you want to have more heat, like more chilies, you can add chili powder in it. You can adjust also the sweetness, saltiness. Now it's boiling. We are going to lower the fire. Dissolve cornstarch in water. Slowly pour it and stir it so that it will not create lumps. So this is what we call sweet chili, garlicky, sour sauce. This is perfect for our chicken popcorn, crispy at tender. We will wait for it to boil. Our sauce is ready to be served. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and God bless.